with Music Academy International. I'm thrilled and so happy to share with you this beautiful Christmas series. Today we're gonna learn how to play Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. That it's an easy one for for students, that they have basic knowledge of some notes, reading, and some chords. Alright, so let's get started. First I'm gonna play the entire song for you. I hope you're gonna like it, and then I will explain. Alright, I would like you to practice a little tiny bit some chords on the left hand. Is the progression of chords. I did talk the same thing in the Jingle Bells, doing the right hand, so right now we will do the left hand. So the tutorial will be really easy if you do this short exercise. So we're having the C chord, and then we're having the fourth chord that actually it is an F major chord inverted, but you don't need to know that. You just need to practice this C, E, G, that this number 3 and 1 is gonna become 2 and 1 on F and A. So let's try this one, and then 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 this one. The right hand, it will do the same thing. Either you do in this octave, either you do in this octave. Actually, in here, it will be played to the end of the song. You could hear the end of the song. It's really fun to do it. So it's this chord, and then number 3 and 5, it's moving to F and A. So it's exactly the same like on the left hand. This one, and then this one, and then this one, and this one. So do practice a couple of times. Pause the video if it's necessary. If you already know them, let's do them both hands. Couple of times, okay? So C chord, F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax your hands. Relax. So you can see my wrist is relaxed. So don't do it like that stiff, right? So you do the chords as you do it, you're kind of pushing, with the wrist. You're gonna going down. So you gotta have the flexible wrist. You see how I'm doing it? Up and down. This would be the, some technique things here, right? Up and down. If you can, you try to do this exercise. Up and down, so you relax. Maybe some kind of, wrist circles, up and down, and then down, up, down. You see, I'm talking down is the wrist who is pushing your little fingers down, okay? We're gonna position our hand, find E and G here. Alright, so you place your fingers, your 5 fingers on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E, F, G, A, B, right? So in this position. And you're gonna start with the third, E and G played 3 times. Rocking up, and then you go to the fourth. Round the Christmas tree. So you're just changing 3 and 4, according to the song, by ear. Listen to the song. Rocking around the Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3, change. 2 times. cross over to the B. Alright? B, A, F, D, cross over to the B. Alright? So just practice that. F, you skip to the D, and then you skip to the B over with finger number 2. B, A, F, D, B. Alright, I'm gonna go to the left hand. Left hand, C position, easy as that. C and G and C and G, and then you have these two notes placed together, F and G. Alright? So the left hand will play one time C and then one time G. It's gonna bounce exactly in the same way as the right hand changed from the third to the fourth. And I'm gonna show you. Rocking, change. Change. How about that? You see? 1, 2, 3, change. Again. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Next. G, G by itself. And then prepare left hand on F and G. And then B, A, F, skip, skip. That's it. Alright, repeat. Christmas party hop. And then you will have, if you want to put it, it sounds cool, two notes on the left hand, D and F, just like a filling the measure. And then we're moving further on the next phrase is this one. Mr. Cohen, where you can see every couple's try to stop. So what we having here? The right hand shifted from E and G. It shifted up one white key up, and it's starting pretty much the same pattern on the third, and then fourth, and then third, and then fourth. Listen by the ear, okay? So, Mr. Toast 3 times, go to the fourth, hang where 2 times. 2 times the third back, and then 1 time the fourth, okay? Mr. Toast, hang where you can see. And then A, G, G sharp, A, F, E. So again, G, G sharp, A, F, E. You see how easy it is? Mr. Cohen, where you can see every couple tries to stop. Alright. So what's happening on the left hand? Left hand this time is gonna play D and G and D and G. And then to the end, we're having a little fun there. C, D sharp, E, G. So that sounds good. You can practice this one and make it with a little swing. C, D, E, G, C, D, E, G. That's fun, okay? So we got left the last measure on the left hand, and now I'm going to put it together. D, F, and then on G, you're starting this part, both hands. That's how it sounds together. How sounds that? Alright, so we're starting with the G left hand. The right hand shifted from E to F position, and you go. It's repeating exactly the same thing, but with a little different ending. It's called first ending, and then it's called the second ending. So I'm gonna repeat on the second time, going around like the second verse is going. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Midnight will have some pumpkin pie, and will, here is changing. just filling in the blanks. C, D, E, and hit. Alright? So I'm just going a couple of measures before is changing. This one. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Left hand, C, D, and alright. Guess what? We almost done. We're having two more lines and then we're done. Is it not fun? So pause here the video and practice. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much and God bless you. So what is next is this one. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear. Right? So what we have here is we started, the left hand it has, after C, D, E, you land exactly on the F chord or the fourth chord. Fourth from the tonic is fourth, so we are here on this one, C, D, E, land. If it's too hard, don't worry about all three notes, just do C and A. That's it, and then you will come back on the third, E and G from the C chord, okay? So you do this or just this, and then this. Alright? Got it? The right hand goes A, G sharp, A, G sharp, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then C, F, A, with exactly these fingers. So you need to stretch a little tiny bit. If you never stretch, you gotta stretch a little bit here because it's C, F, A with fingers 1, 2, and 4. So A, G, A, G, A, and then you go to C, F, A with 1, 2, 4. Why? Because the next one is like an E position here, and you go 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, like meaning B, G, E, G, B. That's simple enough, right? Nicely, the fingers goes exactly on where they're supposed to go, exactly flowing, so you don't need to do anything, right? So left hand is starting on this chord that I said. You have C, D, E, land, both hands, everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in this moment left hand goes, as I said, E and G here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, easy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, left hand. Alright? So pause the video and practice that. I think you can do it in no time. No time. No time. Next one. Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the hall with boughs of holly. Alright? So what's happening here, really easy. The left hand is still staying on the C position. You're going to play a D, and then an F sharp, and then a G. Alright? D, F sharp here, and then G. So just practice this. That's it. Don't be afraid of that F sharp. Not big deal. I know you got it. It's not big deal, right? The right hand though, you was in like a kind of an E position when but right now you gotta shift and start with finger number 4 on the C. So you will be kind of in a G position. So find the C with finger number 4. C, this C, alright? And goes C, B, C, B, C, A, B, C, D. Okay, I'm going again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then number 2, number 3, and then 4, and then all the way to 5. Okay? C, B, C, B, C, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, G. So from the D, you just go all the way to finger number 1. C, B, more easier? I think it cannot be more easier. So let's get it on the right, left hand. So together we're starting with finger number 4. Left hand on D, right hand on C. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So in this moment you put the hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then you go further on the right hand. A, B, C, and right now you are on the D. 5 and 1, G left hand and D, and then right hand goes and it's finishing up. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And guess what? Right now we're starting all over again. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in a... And right now is the change. G, G, A, B, C. You're gonna go right, left, right hand. And so G, G, D sharp, D left hand, A, B, and land on the C, right? New, old fashioned way. Left hand on the G, and the right hand goes from G, D sharp. So G sharp is going to be number 3, A is going to be number 3 as well. And then you have the B, and then you're done. And the left hand is going to just rock and roll as you learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right hand is join the left hand and finish it up and done and see. I'm going to go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, done. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do the replay and have fun learning this. I know you can do it in like one day. It's not a big deal. I'm really pleased to be with me in this journey of learning easy, fun Christmas song, and look for my next one. It's coming. What is my next one? Hold on. Rudolph. Rudolph is coming. Rudolph. Okay, thank you so much.